Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some easy and delicious mantecadas. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe, we're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup plus 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, orange zest, 1 cup of warm milk, 3/4 of a cup of oil, 3 eggs at room temperature, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of orange extract. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alrighty guys, so we're going to begin by preheating our oven to 400 degrees. Once we have that going on, we're going to line our muffin trays. And once we have lined our muffin trays, we're going to set them to the side so we can make our batter. Okay, to make our batter, we're going to begin by mixing our dry ingredients. So I have the flour. We're going to mix the sugar, salt, baking powder, and baking sugar. Salt, baking powder, and baking soda. So just mix it. Okay, and once we mix our dry ingredients, now we're going to mix our wet ingredients. So that's our milk, our oil, orange extract, vanilla extract, and here we're going to add a little bit of our orange zest. And if you want the stronger orange taste, then just add the whole zest of 1 orange. But for me, a little bit is good. Okay, so now we're going to add our eggs and just beat it. And you know, I should have done this in a bigger bowl. So just do that from the beginning. So just combine it all. And now slowly we're going to add our flour. And just mix it as you're adding it. So just make sure everything is well combined. And just make sure that your batter is nice and smooth with no clumps. Just like that. And once we have that, now we are ready to pour it on our muffin tray. And because I am a very messy person, I'm going to transfer it to my measuring cup. Like that, it's easy for me to pour it. But if you can do it, you can transfer it like that. So now we're going to fill it up 3/4 of the way. Just like that. And let me tell you that it already smells delicious. Now my favorite mantecadas are the ones with pecans on them, so I'm going to be adding a little bit on top of some of them, or half of them. But of course, this is all optional. Okay, so now we're going to place them in our oven and allow them to bake for 20 minutes. Alrighty guys, and after 20 minutes, our mantecadas are done. I'm going to allow them to cool down for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I can remove them from the tray. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that these are seriously super easy to make. It's really hard to mess up unless you burn them, but they are honestly super delicious. And they're so fluffy, so moist, perfect to enjoy with the cafecito, champurrado, hot chocolate, however you want to enjoy them. Just look at that. So soft and super easy to make. So I hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, super delicious. And I love the pecans. Give them the little crunch. You can taste the orange, but of course, if you don't want to add it, you don't have to. They'll be perfect, you know, vanilla little Mexican cupcakes. So good. Not dry at all. Super moist. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make some delicious mantecadas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.